All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back here at the garage doing some normal maintenance that I do to my vehicle. You know, I was doing my oil change, but I figured I would make this spark plug change video because the ones I saw online showed you how to take it apart, which is why I already have it apart. But there were some other things that weren't in that video, some info that I'd like to pass along. So first of all, here are the old parts. I'm actually gonna reuse the coils, but here are the new spark plugs. They are Volkswagen boxed, Volkswagen Audi group. They are made by NGK for Volkswagen Audi, made in Japan. And there's the part number for those of you that want that. And here's all my old ones. Here's what they look like. It even says Volkswagen Audi group space NGK on the plugs, and then there's all my plugs. Now they recommend all these special sockets, and I bought this one because this is what the website I looked at called for this car. It's actually wrong. I went to AutoZone and got this for $9.99. So don't get the tall one, you don't really need it unless you want it. And don't get 6-point. The short ones from AutoZone worked, part number 62135. I just used that right there. I just put a 3/8 extension that has a locking end on this socket so it doesn't, fall off and stay in the hole when you're trying to pull the spark plug back out. And then also some other information. The stock plugs, when I pulled them out, were all in between 0.24 and 0.26, and that's exactly what this car calls for. So if you guys want to know what to gap your plugs to, gap them anywhere in between 0.024 and 0.26. But yeah, again, like I said, the reason I made this video is because I got the wrong socket, got some wrong info on that. And also the plug gap, I was unsure on that. I couldn't find it on the internet, at least not easily. So I found a video that showed me how to get to where I'm at right here. You see all 3 holes the new spark plugs are in. So essentially when you watch that video, you just gotta take your air intake out and then pop this off, and they're pretty much accessible right under that. And then on this side, you just got to remove the computer, remove some connectors from there, and also pop this cover right here, and then you can get all new spark plugs in like I already have. Well, all right, guys, I hope this helped clear up, the gap and maybe the part numbers and what you need to do. If it helped you out, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and give me some comments. What questions do you have? I'll answer any questions because, I did a lot of research and figured out a lot of stuff while doing this. On to the next one.